Hello everyone! In this video, we will be talking about POLYA'S 4-step method, a final project conducted by Group J Indigo. What is it? Nearly 100 years ago, a man named George Polya designed a 4-step method to solve all kinds of problems. This problem-solving method provides a structured approach to tackling mathematical and other types of problems. POLYA'S 4-step method encourages students to understand the problem, devise a plan to solve it, carry out this plan, and then look back at their solution to check for accuracy and improve understanding. With this basic understanding of this approach, we will go in depth into these steps to further understand this extremely helpful method.
Step 1. Understand the problem. Carefully read and analyze the problem statement. Identify what is being asked and what information is given, and clarify any uncertainties.
Step 2. Devise a plan. Here is where you are deciding what to do. Plan a strategy for the problem. Break the problem down. Do the problem look familiar? Are there any methods, formulas, and techniques you know that you can apply here?
On step 3 of POLYA'S 4-step method, when you are carrying out the plan, it is best to start by doing what you feel like you should do. Say you have an equation and you know that there's parentheses in the problem, as well as addition, multiplication, subtraction, etc. You would always start with the parentheses. Next, you should always go through by completing the steps that you have written down. So the steps that you already have planned out is what you should do. You should go by them step by step, first, second, and third in order. Finally, follow through and take your time. It's okay to make mistakes. Problem solving takes time and effort.
The last and final step is to double check your work and make sure you followed the correct orders and steps that you were told to do. This is one of the most important steps to understand what your problem is and where your mistakes were. Maybe question whether or not it makes sense. It's important to ask these questions to ensure a higher level of accuracy. Now you want to reflect on your work, thinking about the mistakes you could have made or what you could have done to improve your outcome. Now you can finally make your adjustments once doing this. Making these adjustments will improve your work and will help you to improve your problem-solving skills.
We are now going to take the 4-step method and apply it to the example problem of dividing a 6-slice pizza to 3 different people evenly. The first step in this is to understand the problem. We have to understand how many slices does each person need to receive. We know that there are 6 slices and 3 different people, and now we understand that we are given the information needed to solve the problem. So in the second step, we have to devise our plan. So we decide that we are going to draw the 6 slices of pizza out. We are going to make a list of recipients of the pizza, the 3 individuals, and we're going to take the numbers out and make an equation to solve. In the third step, we're going to solve our problem. We are going to separate the pieces evenly using the diagram which we have drawn. We are going to use the equation we found in the question and see if those answers match to each other. And then our fourth step, to check and make sure that we have done this process correctly, we're going to redraw the initial diagram, redivide the 6 slices of pizza, rewrite the initial equation, and check that the answers match and that they are correct.
With this application and the in-depth explanation into these steps, you should be able to have a thorough understanding of POLYA'S 4-step method. In order to help you further retain this information, we have created a handout that you can either scan through this picture or access through the link in the description to be able to have a digital form of the breakdown of these steps. Thank you for watching.